Hi, my name is Natasha Peter, and today I'm going to be singing End of Beginning by Joe. Just one more tear to cry, one teardrop from my eye. You better say before the middle of the night, when things are black and white. Enter through it all. Remember 24. And when I'm back in Chicago, I feel it. Another version of me. I was in it. I wake it back to the end beginning. The song is starting now, and you're just finding out. Now isn't that a life? A major sacrifice, but clueless at the time. Enter Caroline. Just trust me, you'll be fine. And when I'm back in Chicago, I feel it. Another version of me. I was in it. I wake up back to the end of beginning. Thank you.